Welcome to Fun and Sun Bee 2B website. Building your own travel package is simple and fast. Let's walk through the easy steps together. Select Build Package from the main menu. Highlight the services you want to include: flight, hotel, transfer, and tours. Enter the nationality, dates, number of passengers, destination, number of nights, and markup. Then click Search. Filter hotels by star rating and book your desired hotel. You can even add multiple hotels to your package if needed. Select Transfer and fill in the pickup and drop-off locations and dates. Select your desired vehicle type, complete the required details, and click Book. Select Tour to view the details of your chosen activity. Preview the tour type, date, and timing. Choose your desired tours and add them to your cart. Once your package is ready, click Save Quotation. After saving, you can add markup, include more services if needed, and download the package details as a PDF. Finally, review all package details in the PDF file before confirming the booking. And that's it. With just a few easy steps, you can build a complete travel package, customized exactly the way you want it. Simple, fast, and ready to share with your clients.